What's going on, guys? Decelation, Rhonda.
Hey, how's it going, everyone?
So today we got a little special delivery from Morgan's Metals again. So I kind of hinted at these, but these are my new cup holders. So I had her build them for me. Ta-da! Show them one side, the face. So I purposely wanted her to have two separate faces on this. Well, she asked me if she could do two separate faces. I was like, I let the artist do what you want to do. So check that out. So that's one side, and then that's the face on the other side. So whether you're sitting in the passenger side or the driver's side, you get a cool face facing you. So go ahead and set it where it's gonna go. It's pretty much roughly gonna be in that area right there. So I have cool cup holders in the truck now. Man, fancy truck, like cup holders. Race car with cup holders. Weird. It's when you need to chug that monster when you're running from the cops. I mean, no, never run from the cops. That's bad. Rhonda. Yeah.
So that's what I've been doing wrong in life, huh?
Definitely. All right, so we're gonna get started getting this mounted. Welcome back, guys. Rhonda?
Hello.
How'd it come out?
Pretty good. I didn't actually have to work hard today.
I know, right? You held the plate. That's about
That's pretty much all I did.
But look at that. Nice and mounted, sitting in there. It looks good. I'm very, very pleased with the way that came out. But yeah, quick, short, easy video. Panning. Yeah, I said it now.
Okay, then it opens it up for me to say, Annie.
But thank you guys for watching. This is a quick, short little video. I just wanted to get my new cup holders in. I was super stoked when I got them. So thank you guys. If you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button down below if you like this video. And comment down below and tell us what you think. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
See you next time.